So they slumped in their chairs, too glum to complain. And to make matters worse, it started to rain. They sat in the house on that cold, cold, wet day, with no fun to have and no games to play. They could just stare out the window or perhaps get a nap in and hope that something, anything, might happen.
Quit bothering the fish.
I know, quit bothering the fish. Spit hand.
Oh, gross. Get that away from me. Get it away.
Then something went bump.
What was that?
How that bump made them jump.
I think it came from the closet.
Conrad? Conrad? Come on, Conrad. Shouldn't scare people.
You should have seen the look on your face. It was like you saw a monster.
A monster? Where? That could have gone better.
What was that?
I don't know. Looked like a humongous cat.
Humongous? I prefer the term big bone to jolly. Now, what are we hiding from?
That was a giant cat.
But that's impossible, isn't it?
It's entirely impossible. You know, I like this hiding place a lot better. They'll never find us here. Scream and run. And away they go.
Who are you?
Who, me? Why, I'm the Cat in the Hat. There's no doubt about that. I'm a super fundiferous feline who's here to make sure that you're me-line, key-line, turpentine. I got nothing. I'm not so good with the rhyming. Not really. No. Look, I'm a cat that can talk. That should be enough for you people. I don't even know what's going on. I can talk. I'm a cat. Yes.
Where did you come from?
How do I put this? When a mommy cat and a daddy cat love each other very much, they decide that...
Oh, no. Where did you come from?
My place. What do you think?
No. How did you get here?
I drove. Look, I've been here 2 whole minutes and no one has offered me a drink. Harumph.
Sorry, Mr. Cat. Would you like some milk?
Milk? Ugh, no. Lactose intolerant. Gums up the works. Oi. You'll thank me later. Hello. Surf's up. Yeah. Nice spread you got here. Humana, 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 humana. Who is this? Oh.
That's my mom.
Awkward. Yeah. Yes, this place will do quite nicely, actually. Yeah. Although those drapes are a train wreck. And this is the lumpiest couch I ever sat on. Who is this dreadfully uncomfortable woman?
Get off her. That's our babysitter.
What the? Babysitter? You don't need one of those, do you? Let me get this straight. You pay this woman to sit on babies? That's disgusting. I do it for nothing. Now, let's see what the old phenometer has to say.
Phenometer?
Yeah, it measures how fun you are. Ah, control freak. Yeah. Now you.
Tap it.
Listen, kid, you can tap it with a hammer. It ain't gonna change.
Just as I suspected, you guys are both out of whack. You're a control freak and you're a rule breaker. That'll be $700. Who's your insurance carrier?
So what do we do?
Well, there are two treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots injected into your abdomen and kneecaps. And the other involves a musical number. Me, 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 meow.
How many shots?
How many shots? Aren't you precious?